Hi, good day. Itzadik is here, your tech tips buddy. Today I will show you how to update your Windows 10 to Windows 11 without losing any data, or create backup and restore after. We go to Windows Update and select the Windows Insider program. Windows 11 can be installed and download only on their official website. Don't rush to buy Windows 11 because it's for free and it should meet the minimum system requirements. Windows Insider program is loading, just wait for it to load. Before we proceed, we should check the system requirements first. To check, we need to download the PC Health Check from the official site of Microsoft. I already downloaded mine. So if we open this app, click the button Check Now to check your system, and it should all pass the requirements, so we can proceed the update. My PC passed all the minimum requirements, so we go back to Windows Insider program. Click the Get Started and follow what I did. Log in your Microsoft account to proceed the process. If you don't have, just create one. Here we have three choices. I select the Dev channel for the highly technical users. The Windows asks you to restart to proceed. So we will restart our PC now. After reboot, we go back to the Windows Update. As you can see, we don't have the update for Windows 11 yet. We should first install the current update here, and the Windows will restart again. After we successfully install the pending update, run the check update, and it will show to us the latest update, and that is the Windows 11. Now we will wait to finish the download, and after that, we will install Windows 11. It takes some time, so you must be patient. Here, restart now, and the Windows 11 update process begins. And during the update, it looks like this. The system will restart several times during the update process. Just wait and be patient. Alright, we successfully update Windows 10 to Windows 11 without losing data. Hope guys you learned new from this video tutorial. Hoping for your like and subscribe. Thank you, and have a nice day.